All right, traders, it is Sunday the 23rd, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. And we are back for another backtesting session of the series Road to 10K a day. My name is Casey. If you're new to the channel, check out the previous videos where I explained what this channel is meant to be and what the series is. And yeah, let's get through it. 50K account is set up. And just real quick before we start, I just wanted to get through some basic concepts that you can use as help during the backtesting sessions, just to follow what the model is doing and what I'm doing and how I'm finding setups. So yeah, the most basic three concepts that I wanted to go through today is that basically what the market is doing. So it's key to understand that the market is only doing three things, at least based on the theory of algorithmic trading. And it is the following. It's either building liquidity, so generating, which just means consolidating and generating orders on both sides. Equal highs, equal lows that later want to be targeted or hunt, whatever terminology you use, doesn't matter, no one gives a fuck. Rebalancing and filling gaps, so that would be filling any imbalances in volumes. So yeah, I'm not going to go into volume in this video, but you can check it out as well. It's some more like order flowy kind of YouTubers, and filling gaps. So that's what we use often as well. If the market is not, if the market hasn't filled any of the higher time frame gaps, they often want to be filled just to fill the imbalance and then continue distributing in a certain direction. So yeah, it's important to watch them, because if you're trying to short, let's say, and there is a gap somewhere to the upside, and let's say the price did this. No, let's try a different one. Let's try this. So imagine there is a gap in price. There's 3 candles here, and there's a big gap here, and you're trying to short because you got an IFVG here. Well, it's less probable if this gap has not been traded into at all, so it's unmitigated. It's a bit less probable that this price is going to continue lower before filling it. So it's better to often wait for the gap fill and then wait for a setup, which is like aligned with our gap delivery concept. So once this gap gets filled, we get an IFVG to the downside, let's say, and yeah, we're delivering off the gap, and we have our setup, and we enter here, and then we distribute lower. So yeah, I hope this makes sense. I've written down the model of what I'm trading down here. You can pause the video, look at it, and yeah, I'm going to be looking at this just for practice in order to find better setups and make sure I'm following my entire plan. So okay, let's just get through it. I'm feeling a bit kind of sickish today. I don't know, I slept so long, might be a bit foggy, but the daily series shall continue. Let's just get rid of this. Okay, let's watch the daily chart. ES is here, yeah, cool. Not making the same mistake as yesterday. Oh shit, wait, okay, I almost did again. Okay, it seems like we are all-time high again. I hope I did not pick the same dates as yesterday. I mean, doesn't matter, I don't really remember exactly what was happening, so it should be fine, but okay. We have some liquidity still to the upside. Okay, let's see what happens to this 3-minute gap. Am I at the open? No, I am. Okay. This time is confusing. I don't know why it switches to 1 hour earlier. Okay. Okay, let's see what happens here with this 1-minute gap. Okay, it's staying intact. In terms of liquidity, we have some nothing, because yeah, it's just all-time highs. I'm pretty sure this might be the same day as yesterday. No, okay, I don't think it is. Okay, 3-minute gap below. Pretty strong impulse to the downside. Okay, so we're getting a V-shape kind of thing on the 32nd. I suppose we could take this since it's a... well, yeah, in terms of rebalancing inefficiencies. This is also part. Oh, actually, I think I missed out one because the fourth one is rebalancing to equilibrium. Equilibrium. So that would be an example. Equilibrium is just 50%, just like homeostasis, like hormones and stuff like that. We also always want to be in the middle point. So price kind of acts the same way, often case. So this would be a confluence, just because we are inversing this gap on the 30 second. Equilibrium is here, so we touch it, we fill the imbalance, and then we inverse both of these gaps with this strong impulse. I can be going break even on these relative equal highs, which is fine, so 15 points to the upside. I think we can try this. Sure, let's do 400 and let's go for a 1-to-1. We could go higher just because there is no there's nothing that is stopping us from going higher, and we are all-time highing. Yeah, I guess we can try 2R. Let's see what's gonna happen and see what price gives us. What happened? Okay, I don't know if you guys saw it, but I don't know if it was like a news kind of. Okay, anyways, I would have gone. Okay, well, it was a good trade. It was a good trade. I would have gone break even here. I don't know if I would take profit, so we would get break even anyways. But we are negative 400, so we need to kind of watch our drawdown. I was not expecting this to happen. I don't really see anything else for us here. I guess this low resistance liquidity is gonna want to be run at some point. We did get an inversion to the downside. I mean, we can try it just because this high is high resistant and we took out liquidity. We have an inversion here. Yeah, it seems like price isn't really pumping that much. So let's see if this liquidity actually gets run through. Wow, that was yeah, I should have gone break even. Okay, if we get stopped out, then it's just my kind of fault. Okay, interesting. Yeah, I can go break even. I don't know what's happening in this market at this point. Okay, we just got break even. Well, that's unfortunate. I probably should have taken profit here or here. Okay, let's just go to the next session. I mean, whatever. That first trade was a bug or of some sort. Okay, so the page isn't working again. Great. Okay, we're back. Whatever happened there, I don't know. Let's go to the start of the new session, and let's see. Okay, so I think we pumped quite a lot. Yeah, 400 points relative to the previous session. Okay, interesting. Let's see if this 15-minute hold is gonna happen. Okay, I like this. I know we don't inverse this like perfectly, but we are delivering from the 50-minute. Oh, we do kind of inverse it. Okay. I think we can target this high. I mean, this low resistant liquidity is really interesting, but I don't know if we're gonna get. Wait, let's try it. Swing low. Let's try the 2R just to see if we can make back the loss from before. Okay, we didn't close that well. Okay, nice. Wow, this is really strong. I'm gonna go break even now. And yeah, I think it's gonna get. Yeah, I think it's gonna go. Beautiful. Yeah, amazing. That trade was really. I would have taken this 100% of the time. Maybe this close wasn't ideal, but you could have entered at this candle. That would be fine as well. That would still be 80 points. So yeah, we made back the loss from before. let's just forget about that. And yeah, I'm curious if we run this entire liquidity. Yeah, I mean, almost, maybe now. Yeah, okay, so very good call. I'm gonna go to the next session because I feel like that was the main move. Cool. Very good trade. I'm really happy with that trade. I wish I could be taking only, you know, these kinds of trades. Hopefully, at the end of the series, we get to a point where, you know, it's just very clear, and I'm just very confident in the setups. This volume, I don't need that. Okay. As you can tell, I'm not really using ES that much. I don't know. I never did. Maybe it's my bad. Maybe it's more useful than I think. But yeah, the SMTs don't really work anymore, for me at least. I am definitely more confident in just looking at what the price is doing and like its behavior. Okay, nothing happening here for now. I don't know what we can sweep, to be honest. We can target these highs. Yeah, we're taking the internal ones. There is really no inversion here. Yeah, well, nothing for me here. Okay, we take this one. I guess these were relative, they were taken as well. These, sure, these are very strong draws, I suppose. This one also. This one also. I guess this can be treated as a low resistant thing. So yeah, so low resistance liquidity run. Okay, so I think, yeah, still not much for me here because this didn't get taken. It seems kind of weird. I guess London low is even here, so not ideal for sure. Would it work? Would it have worked? I guess it did if we entered here. Yeah, it would have worked, but that's just 20 points. We could have targeted this. Yeah, not too bad, but the conditions seem kind of off. Okay, we take the high. Higher time frame, we can go for this high. We don't. We get a V-shape to the downside, I can already tell. Let's see if we close below. We do. Do we? No, really. Nah. It's kind of tough. Unless there is a strong, like, displacing candle right now. We are at all-time highs, so shorts are kind of off as well. Yeah. I don't know if we can even find a continuation. I mean, it's a little bit, yeah, right now it's just standing in one place. Okay, pumping, reversing. Okay, interesting reverse. Okay, we could take this continuation, but it's not A+, but we should be taking something because the video is never going to end. So if we take this, break-even point is here, and we can just try a 1-to-1, I suppose, to 60. Break-even here. And yeah, so I guess we did sweep this one. We did sweep something, so it's not too bad. Let's see. Okay. In terms of ES, yeah, it still has the high to take on the upside. Wow, that's not looking too good. I would have probably... okay, let's see if we can inverse this back again. Maybe I can scale up if we inverse the gap again. Do we? We do. I could buy, add to my winning position. No, not an ES here. Can add to my winning position. I know it's a shitty risk reward, but it seems like we really want to get it. Okay, and we get it. So the thing with adding to winning positions, my rule is that if I enter a trade of a valid setup and then a setup gets, let's say, invalidated, I mean, it didn't because stop loss is at the swing low, so nothing got invalidated. But once I see that sellers tried tried to control the market for a bit, but then they got trapped again. Like this candle was super strong, so big sellers came up but then we inverse the gap again. So like kind of there's another model for me, so I can enter and add to my winning position. So I don't ever add to losing positions. That's what 90% of people do, like retail traders, because they hope it will reverse and they think they're averaging their position better. Well, statistics show that this is one of the main causes of losing accounts. So if you want to read more about it, check out the book Best Loser Wins. It's one of the best ones I've read, and I've read quite a few on trading. Tom is such a beast of a trader, and the things like about trade management mechanics and stuff like that, this book is one of the best ones, I think. So yeah, check it out. I'll leave the link in the description. I think it's a free PDF as well, so nothing to be paid there. Okay, so we got a pretty good trade. We can jump into the next one. Okay, here it seems, okay, we took this high and we are bearish on 15-minute, 1 hour as well. There is a 4-hour gap on the way, which we can just trade into. Let's see if we do. Okay, since we are kind of bearish, shit, that's interesting, because yeah, we have an SMT here. Yeah, we do. So ES does not take this high, and Nasdaq does. That is bearish SMT, I suppose, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, and now do we get a close? If we get a strong close to the downside, I can try it. Yeah, nothing happening here. Okay, interesting. So this gap I want to inverse. This one. We take liquidity, cool. Okay, do we get it? No. Still not. Okay, sweeping internal high. Still just seems bearish to me. I don't know. Yeah, maybe I'm wrong, but okay, so ES takes the high as well. And this 15-minute looks bullish as fuck, so I was definitely mistaken. There was nothing for me here, literally nothing, no entry. I mean, this little 15-second, but that's just very, very difficult, not super great. We might want to think about jumping to a different date where we're not at all-time highs, because that's just really, yeah, I mean, I can see that it's going to probably pump. Okay. Yeah, again, continuation play to the upside, very tough, because we're just longing super premium. And okay, so this gap is holding, I suppose, and that we did inverse this one pretty strongly, so I could have entered here, and we're literally at the same place, so I can do it because it's the same entry I would have taken here, even though it's a bit later, and we can target some unfilled gap. I think this 5-minute could be fine. So yeah, 2-7. Yeah, let's just do 1-to-1. Yeah, let's see. Okay, we don't get it. We get stopped out. Cool. That was kind of, yeah, I mean, it's tough shorting in this market. I probably wouldn't have done it on an account. Again, price is gonna, yeah, just a tough market, to be honest. Let's just jump to the next session. We've been recording for 19 minutes. Okay, that's fine. Are we still up there? No, we are consolidating at all-time highs. This is really tough, man. I mean, it's good practice, but definitely not ideal conditions. Yeah, it's just oh, Jesus. Okay. The only thing I can think of is just continuation plays, because this is so bullish. Okay, so yeah, I suppose right now if you get a V-shape to the upside, I could try it. Okay, we got one, not strong enough. Okay, that's pretty good. 15 second, yeah, 15 second, let's try it. Let's go to this high. I'm just gonna increase the size slightly because the video is getting long. Seems pretty fine. Okay, great. If we don't get a pullback, yeah, I'm just gonna go break even right now. We're not sweeping anything, but I just like this rejection. I'm confident. We shouldn't be reversing to this point at all. Like, this is just pumping. So if we do, I don't want to be in it. Yeah, so we just get break even. That's unfortunate. I don't know why we stopped pumping here. This gap, I suppose, is still holding, but it's probably, I don't know, kind of weird. Yeah, it seems like we just want to pause for a bit because we really pumped at open. Let's see if this 5 minute gets run or no. Okay, it's, yeah, we could play along if there's a V shape from this 5 minute. Okay, is it still holding? Okay, yeah, it is. Okay, this 30 second. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's go. Let's go. It's a good risk to reward. I think we can target these highs easily. I don't know. It's a lot of points, but this close is very, very favorable. I like it. So yeah, let's try. Can go break even at these highs. Cool. Let's just pump it, guys. Okay, awesome. I'm gonna go break even. If this hits, we're gonna make 1,600, so that will be pretty nice. Okay, big pullback. Okay, but then we go back up. Seems very good, very good, very good. Gap is holding, and we should get it now. Okay, beautiful. So we are at $2,000. Literally no drawdown in this trade, which is pretty awesome. And yeah, let's just go to the next session. I think now we can just do regular size, 5 micros, and take 2 good trades that are gonna make us $400, and we are done. If you guys want to check out the previous videos, I'm gonna leave the links in the description, and or just here, whatever. And other than that, I just wanted to say one thing. What was it? Oh yeah, remember about Twitter. I'm going to be very active there from tomorrow. It's going to be Monday, so there's going to be trade recaps there. And yeah, I thought that it would be useful to create a TikTok as well, just for the reach, just for reaching people. So yeah, once it's up, I'll post it on a YouTube post or Twitter. Okay, let's go. Hopefully the last day of this session. Okay, 15 minutes is holding. Seems like we displaced really strongly. 4 hours holding as well. And there is an unfilled 15 minute, I mean kind of unfilled. It's being created right now, right? Yeah. So yeah, let's see. We inverse the downside. I don't think this is where the market actually wants to go. I think it's a Judas swing. Let's see if we get an inversion to the upside with a strong closure. Okay, almost, not yet. Okay, amazing. Okay, not yet, clearly. Take the internal lows. Let's see this one. Okay, and we get it. So yeah, kind of like very, very little off, but it should be fine. 1 minute. We are in a gap, so maybe I will wait for the 1 minute actually to go inverse. Okay, shit, that's very close. Yeah, it's just gonna go without us. Yeah, I just wanted to be more cautious here, but the trade worked out, so I'm happy about that. But we should have entered. Yeah, we could have entered at this 15 second here. So targeting this high, pretty solid. Yeah, I would even leave this stop until this gap because it's holding very nicely. It's a very little one, but that's just something I like to do. Yeah, so okay, no trade here. I think we might want to run all of this yeah, I don't know. There's really no entry here, so wow, what a, okay, maybe we can take this continuation then. Okay, we don't, we want to sweep the lows actually, so interesting. This 50 minute, wow. That's very fucking bearish. Okay, let's see. Okay, we're taking the London lows. Are we? Yes, we are. Okay, and we are having an... Okay, let's see if this... Okay, this 30-second gets inversed. There is another one right above us, so I treat it as one. That's just how we treat a series of gaps. We just treat it as one. So I want both to inverse. Okay, so we do. What can we target? We can target this high for break even. And yeah, this 3-minute gap for take profit maybe, because it can hold. So if we just do a quick 1-to-1 from here, 300 bucks. Yeah, it should be fine. So let's try. Yeah, pretty good closure. Okay, we get stopped out. Interesting. So maybe the stop should have been at this. Yeah, I think I want to enter again because stop should have been at the swing low. Maybe we make it back. Yeah, we will. And I think I'm going to add to my position. Actually, I think I'm going to move my profits higher. I mean, that's a lot, but maybe I just go break even at this 3-minute. Okay, so I think we might inverse it. Okay, let's just go break even. Okay, I'm not going to be that greedy because my initial take profit was here. So still, I went on a bigger position. So we still made 1,000. Yeah, it was my bad that I didn't put the stop at the swing low, which the model signifies it should. So another lesson, another thing we will improve for the next time. I don't know why. Yeah, we don't. Okay. Okay, great. So we just need $100 more, and that would be it. So 28 minutes, pretty much the same as yesterday. Let's just go find another trade. I'm sure this one would have worked out as well, but I just want to take another setup for practice. So. Okay, this 5-minute, interesting. What did we sweep? These relative equal lows have been swept. This 1 minute is holding. Cool. If we get an inversion out of it, that would be cool. Okay, we don't. We inverse it. Take the internal lows. That's not a closure I like that much. Okay, not bad. Okay. Yeah, it seems like we want to go up. But this 1 minute is still here, so I'm just going to wait for it. Yeah, exactly. That's why. So we want to sweep the internal low again. Higher time frame. Yeah, 1 hour gap is here, which can be our delivery point. 30-minute as well, almost there. We want to dig down into the 30-minute apparently, and the 1 hour, just to rebalance it, just like we said in the beginning of the video. We get an inversion on the 15-second, but there's 1 minute here. I would just like to wait for this 1 minute to get inversed. Okay, awesome. So yeah, we can take an entry here. We can go lower size because we just need $100. Let's do 3 micros, and we need 130. Okay, I mean, I'm gonna put my stop at the swing low just because that's what the strategy is. Hopefully we get it. If not, that's just unlucky, and we need to take another trade, but that's fine as well. Okay, so we get stopped up. Okay, perfect. I love this. Yeah, we shouldn't have entered probably at the high. 1 minute going inverse. I don't know why this didn't work, to be honest. Clearly, we want to rebalance deeper into the 30-minute. Yeah, that was such a oh my god, such a good trade. Okay, I like this inversion. Let's take it. We need $600 right now. So let's see. So we are delivering of the 30-minute. This 1 minute, is it gonna get inverse? Yes, it does. Okay, awesome. Yeah, it seems like we want to rebalance all of this rush. Okay, so we get it. Okay. Unfortunately, we didn't add the video on the previous trade. It was kind of funny. Negative risk to reward. But yeah, don't do that on an eval. Don't do that on an account. As you can see, we got a better win rate than yesterday, 70%. Again, a couple of trades that maybe weren't ideal, but I think this session was better than yesterday. And yeah, this is it for today. And so we have 2 days now of the backtesting session done. And yeah, there is 6 months more to go. So I'll see you tomorrow for the next one. And thanks so much for watching. Leave a subscription if you want to stay for the journey. And yeah, also be open to, I'm really happy to hear what you guys are going through. And yeah, let's get this shit together. Peace.